Yes, myself, Ashok Desai, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Dada Patil Mahavidyalaya, District Ahmednagar, affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Today we are going to see the new topic stereochemistry. In the stereochemistry, we can represent the structure of molecule on the paper in two dimensions. Also, we can represent the molecule, structure of the molecule in three dimensions. And therefore, the stereochemistry is defined as it is a branch of chemistry which deals with this description of special arrangement of atoms in the molecule and study of three-dimensional orientations of atoms in the molecule as they undergo chemical reaction. Next is concept of isomerism. Concept of isomerism. The property of molecule depends upon its molecular geometry. Next, what is the isomerism? The phenomenon of existence of two or more compounds with the same molecular formula but differing two or more properties is called as isomerism and compounds is called as isomer. Next is the classification of isomerism. Isomeric types of the isomerism. Isomerisms are classified into two different types. First is the structural isomerism, differing in their structures, that is structural isomerism, and second one is the stereoisomerism, differing the three-dimensional orientation of atoms in space, that is stereoisomerism. Here, structural isomerisms are classified into five different types. First is chain isomerism. Second one is a position isomerism. Third one is a functional group isomerism. Next is tautomerism. And last one is metamerism. Now see one by one. What is chain isomers? Compounds having same molecular formula but differs in their carbon skeleton is called as chain isomer. Example is N-pentane. This is the example of chain isomer. N-pentane molecular formula is C5H12. N-pentane have three isomers. First is N-pentane. Second one is N-pentane CH3, CH2, CH. This is the N-pentane. Second one is isopentane, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is isopentane, and third one is a neopentane, CH3. These are the three isomers of N-pentane. N-pentane, isopentane, and neopentane. All these compounds have same molecular formula, that is C5H12. But their structural arrangement is different. Where carbon skeleton is different, and therefore these isomers are called as chain isomerism. Second one is a position isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but different attachment of the functional group in the carbon chain. Example is CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. This is isopropyl chloride. Second one is CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl, N-propyl chloride. Here, position of attachment of chlorine atom is different. Position of attachment of this functional group is different. This is isopropyl chloride. This is N-propyl chloride, and therefore these isomers are called as position isomerism. Next is functional group isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but their functional groups are different is called as functional group isomerism. Let us see example CH3, CH2OH, ethyl alcohol, and second one is CH3OCH3, that is C2H6O, C2H6O, C2H6O. Both have same molecular formula, but their functional groups are different. Here functional group is alcohol, here functional group is ether, and therefore such types of compounds are called as functional group isomerism. Next one is tautomerism. The existence of compounds in two different isomers. First is enol and second one is keto, that is the tautomerism. Keto-enol form is called as tautomerism. Example is CH3, COCH3, acetone, and second its isomer is CH2 double bonds COH CH3. This is enol. Enol. En means double bond, ol means alcohol. Enol, and this is keto form. Only carbonyl group is there, and therefore this is keto-enol form, is called as tautomerism. Next is the metamerism. Metamerism means the molecule can be represent equal, unequal distribution of carbon atoms on the other side of the functional group is called as metamerism. The molecule, this is the one type of isomerism with unequal distribution of carbon atoms on the other side of the functional group is called as metamerism. The example is C2H5O, C2H5. This is first example, and second example is CH3O, C3H7, C3H7. This is diethyl ether, and this is methyl propyl ether. Both compounds have same molecular formula, but here unequal distribution of carbon atom. Second is C2H5NH, C2H5, diethylamide, and its isomer is CH3NH, C3H7, methyl propylamide. These are the metamerism. These two isomers are metamerism because compounds having same molecular formula, but there is unequal distribution of carbon atoms on the other side of the functional group. This is amine. Functional group is amine. Their functional group is ether, and therefore unequal distribution of carbon atom takes place. And these are the 5 types of structural isomerism: chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional group isomerism, tautomerism, metamerism. Now, say second, stereoisomerism. Second isomerism is stereoisomerism. The stereoisomerism is classified into two different types. First is conformational isomerism. Conformational isomerism. And second one is a configurational isomerism. Configurational isomerism. Conformational isomerism, that is the rotation about the carbon-carbon single bond, and conformational isomerism is classified into two different types. First is open chain isomerism. Open chain isomerism. And second one is cyclic isomerism. Open chain isomerism is also called as a cyclic isomerism. The examples is ethane. Second one is propane. Third one is butane. These are the examples of open chain isomerism. These are the saturated compounds, open chain compounds, ethane, propane, butane, and therefore these are called as open chain isomerism. Second one is a cyclic isomerism, that is cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes. The example of cycloalkane is cyclohexane is the example of cyclic isomerism. Now, configurational isomerism is classified into two different types. First is optical isomerism. This is related to the optical activity. The property of certain compounds rotate the plane polarized light is called as optical activity. Optical isomerism, and second one is a geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism means cis and trans isomer. What is the cis isomer? The two similar groups are present when two similar groups are present on the same side of the carbon-carbon double bond is called as cis isomer, and second one is the trans isomer. Two similar groups are present on the different side of the carbon-carbon double bond is called as trans isomerism, and these are the examples, that is examples of geometrical isomerism. Next part is projection formulae. There are four different ways for representation of molecule. First is dotted or wedge formula. Dotted or wedge formula. This is first projection formula. dotted or wedge formula. For example, CS3. This is the example of dotted or wedge formula. CS3, that is ethane. Now to show, first show this carbon-carbon bond in plane of the paper. Then there are three different ways to show the different three bonds. First is the bonds lie in the plane of paper. Lie in the plane of paper, indicated by normal lines. Normal lines. This is first. The bonds lie in the plane of paper is indicated by normal lines. CH normal line, CH normal line. Second, the bonds projecting above the plane of paper. Above the plane of paper is indicated by wedge line or thick line. This is thick line. This is also thick line. Here, thick line. Then bonds going behind the plane of paper is indicated by dotted line. This is dotted or wedge formula. There are three different ways to show the bonds. First is the bond lie in the plane of paper is indicated by normal line. Second one, the bonds projecting above the plane of paper is indicated by thick line or wedge line. These are the wedge line. And bonds going behind the plane of paper, that is below the plane of paper, is indicated by this dotted line or this dotted line. This is the first example. Second, CS3, CS2, CS3. This is N-butane, and its dotted or wedge formula is C. This is normal bond. H, CS3. This is thick line. CS3. H. Here dotted line. Here dotted line. Yes. This is first projection formula, that is dotted or wedge formula. There are three different bonds. This is normal bond, this is thick bond, and this is dotted one or dotted line. This is the first dotted or wedge formula. Second one is Sauer's formula. Sauer's formula. Sauer's formula. First, CS3 example of ethane. Example of Sauer's formula is ethane. Right here. This is eclipse Sauer's formula. Because these two bonds are come close to each other, that is eclipse, and therefore this is Sauer's formula. Second one, here. This is staggered Sauer's formula. because these two bonds going away from each other. These two bonds going away from each other, and these two bonds making the bond angle 120 degree. Each two bonds makes the bond angle 120 degree. This is Schwarz formula of ethane. Second, Schwarz formula of butane. Here CH3, here. This is the eclipse, and its staggered formula is CH3, here. This is staggered, this is eclipse, and these are the examples of Schwarz formula. Next one, Newman projection formula. Third, Newman projection formula. Newman projection formula. Now see here, this is Schwarz formula of ethane. Schwarz formula of ethane. This is carbon number 1 and this is carbon number 2. Its Newman projection formula is this is front carbon atom, carbon number 1. This is here, CH3. Is it CH3 carbon number 1? Next, below this carbon number 2, here, and here. Carbon number 1 is in front of us and front of observer or front of us, but carbon number 2 is the back side of this carbon number 1, and therefore here this is the example of Newman projection formula, and this is eclipse Newman projection formula. Now second, here. This is second Schwarz formula, that is staggered. Its Newman projection formula. This is front carbon atom, carbon number 1, and this is Newman projection formula. Here. At 60 degree rotation of carbon number 2, we get here Newman projection formula, and this is staggered. Staggered Newman projection formula. Next is Fisher projection formula. Fisher projection formula. Projection formula. Fisher projection formula. Here example is CHO, C here, CH2A, and its Fisher projection formula is CHO, C here, CS2H and H. This is the Fisher projection formula. Second example is CS3, Cl, here, C, here, ethane. It's Fisher projection formula, but in the Fisher projection formula, you have to show the carbon chain in a vertical position. This is the vertical position. CS3, CS3, here, 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 CS3. This is a dotted line, this is a wedge line, and this is the Fisher projection formula of butane. This is butane, butane, that is C4H8. C4H8. These are the four formulas to represent the molecule in three-dimensional structure. First is dotted or wedge formula. Second one is Sohars formula. Third one is Newman projection formula. And last one is the Fisher projection formula. Now we stop here. Next part we discuss.